Life insurance license training. Here is what you want to do to get your insurance license training. The first thing is to go to prelicense.com. Once you get there, you'll have a screen that looks like this. And the next thing you want to do is click on the Life and Health License button right there. That'll bring you to a map of the United States with each state identified. We're going to do one in California to start with. Once you click California, you will see a page like this. And notice up top here, you may qualify for discounts. Well, you do qualify for discounts, and that's what we're here to help you with. Go down and choose a product and select the Life Only. As you can see, in California includes law and ethics. And you also want to include the exam tutor. And you'll see it's around $59–60. Now you can select the life and health if you so desire in your state, which will be a little more expensive and about 20 to 30 more hours. But for right now, let's just select the life only with the exam tutor. That will bring you to this page. And you notice on this page, it shows you the retail price and a couple more choices. We want you to add the exam prep coach for $10. And then click the purchase button. That'll bring you to the shopping cart. Now you would think you would want to go to the discount code area, but that's not the case. You actually want to go to Add Refer right here. Click on that button and that'll take you to the refer page. And here you want to put in the referr's name. And don't worry about spelling it right or wrong. That's just a name field. That's my code, James Seeley. The referr's email is critical. You must spell that correctly. So you can copy and paste or type it in. There again is mine. Now that would be only if you're one of my agents. Remember to put in your hiring agent's email. When you're done with that, go ahead and click Submit. That'll bring you to a question about, are you a U.S. military veteran? Answer yes or no. Afterwards, when you come back to the shopping cart, you will see that the $69 price is no longer valid. That is now discounted to $49. Then simply click on the checkout button. Then they ask you to create a unique ID. It'd be your name or a number of things. Mine is DeMister. Notice that if you create one that's already in the database, you'll have to choose another one, and it warns you in that red area. So you could put, instead of DeMister, like Best Insurance Agent or Best Agent. And if that's not there, they'll accept it. Remember that, although you'll be sent that in an email also. And then fill in your profile. Notice that wherever you see a star or actually an asterisk, you have to fill in information there, like your first name. So fill in all those data fields. And at least one phone number. Make sure you get your email address right. And then click the Save button at the bottom left. Now, if you forgot some fields or put in a bad format, it will show you them at the top there in red. See how I clicked and none of the fields were filled in, like mailing, city address, etc. Then go back, fill those in. And if you have to go back, remember to put in your password again, because they will not repeat your password as it is not saved. Now you are finished and you want to go to your email inbox and look for these particular subject lines. The first one being pre-license.com login information. And when you go there, you'll see an email that has both your username and your password. Those are very important. You might want to print those out or write them down somewhere, or make sure you keep them in your email database. Next is your pre-license confirmation order, which will show your address, the information you put in, and other information about your pre-license account. Here you see some of the emails I've received over the past. A message from your prep coach. They're constantly checking in with you and helping you along and answering any questions you have. That is invaluable. If you have questions, go to them. Call the number in your email to get help. You'll actually be signed an account executive to help you with your pre-licensing test. And you'll see there's one about tips also. And there I got a call from Catherine Turner, who is my rep. Now you're done. Just go click on sign in, put in your username, and type in your password. Click login, and that will take you into your course. And you can see I have here both the accident and health and life. But you will only concentrate again on the life only courses, as you can see down at the bottom here. Again, that's a decision you can make. And it'll keep track of when you were there last, how far you've gone along, the total time you spent, and how your tests have gone. Here's how it looks like inside the Life Only course. Where it's green, that's where you've already completed those parts. And it gives you an idea how much time you should plan on it and how much time you've actually spent in it. For example, here's a quick little overview chapter.
Welcome
You'll get a little
back.
video
Now that you
explaining what it's
understand
about. Then you'll get the actual message, the actual training. And once you read it, just click on the next button. And then it'll talk about the objectives, and congratulations, you're finished with that chapter or that portion of the chapter. And you'll get a green area. Notice where it's yellow is where you're in the middle of one or you've clicked back. That's when you want to complete. Now you work consecutively through this. You cannot skip ahead. So you see down here where they're all white, that's areas that have not been studied yet. And you cannot click on them. So you have to go to the next one, and that's where the next one is, the one that's in green on the right and still gray on the left. Or where you see a green button above, and you're ready to go. Again, if you have questions about this, call your direct representative at pre-licensing. So now you can start your training and look forward to passing your life insurance test for your state. Hey, thanks for watching.